Right? What? Right now, my brothers are shooting paper airplanes, so I want to show you. Glass. Oh, my.
Put it down.
Thank you. Come on, John, get your airplane. Try to get in my camera, man. No. Go play. Go play. Play by the laundry basket.
Hey, when you move up into that room there, on it.
Look at the fan is on.
Why? TV. Video games aren't going on there.
Fan is on, and if they hit it, then it doesn't rip. They've tried it before. It just knocks down. Oh. Oh.
The way it is. Is the Wi-Fi off on the one downstairs or no? Why? You turn it off? Take your clothes and that downstairs. You can fold your clothes? Fold them. What do you mean why? He's gonna live out of your basket? Throw your dirty clothes on your floor? What are you gonna do?
Sawyer, do something. Sawyer, airplane. Go by the laundry basket and play with the airplane. By the laundry basket.
Oh, cool, you made it.
Yeah, you made it. Can you guys fly them?
Yeah.
I can go to the moon. I made it in the moon. Okay, that wasn't really exciting, but comments of what you want me to make next. Maybe a tour of my house and stuff. Okay? Nikki Fist.